When it comes to investments, most of us think of stocks, real estate, or even gold. But what if I told you there was an investment option that outperformed them all? A luxury item that has not only held its value over the past decade, but has actually appreciated at a rate that far surpasses traditional investments. The stock market is unpredictable, and gold prices can fluctuate widely. But there's one luxury item that has consistently delivered returns that leave other investments in the dust. I'm talking about Rolex watches. Rolex watches are not just a status symbol, they are a work of art. The precision and craftsmanship that goes into each watch is unmatched. And it's this attention to detail that has made Rolex watches one of the most sought-after luxury items in the world. But it's not just their beauty that makes Rolex watches a wise investment. High-profile individuals and celebrities have long understood the value of investing in a Rolex, and the returns they have seen have been nothing short of impressive. In fact, over the past decade, Rolex watches have appreciated at a rate that far surpasses traditional investments such as gold, real estate, and stocks. The sales numbers for Rolex on average shows an uptick beginning in 2017, followed by an even sharper bump in 2020. As of February 2022, the average Rolex price is more than $13,000, nearly 3 times the 2011 average of $5,000. And sellers believe that their future value will continue to deliver. So the next time you're thinking about investing your money, consider a luxury item that not only looks good, but has proven to be a wise investment over time. Invest in a Rolex. Invest in the future.